Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about probability and the blind universe. Let's say we're going to get into a simulation of an empty universe, and we're going to start creating worlds. And these worlds revolve around stars. Suppose that I give the individual 7 dice. So now that the individual has 7 dice, the individual asks, "What are these for?" And I said, "Okay, well, I'm going to explain. You're going to roll the 7 dice. Every time that all 7 dice that you roll at once shows a 1, you get a planet that forms life. Every time that you throw the 7 dice and they're not all ones, you get a planet with no life. So the person starts rolling the dice, and here's a planet, dead, no life. Here's another planet, dead, no life. Here's another planet, no life. And then let's say, after 279,936 throws of all 7 dice at once, the person finally gets all ones, and there's a planet with life. So that means that there was two, 279,936 planets that are just deserts with no life, and one of them have life. This means that um, less than 1% of the planets have life, even less, 0.0004% of the planets with a chance of forming life. Now I come to the person and said, okay, we are filling this universe with stars and planets, most of them dead, and we have one planet with life. Let's keep rolling the dice. And then I say, look, now I'm going to give you um, 14 dice. And I'm going to tell you one thing. If you get um, all 15 dice to show a 1, then one of these planets with capability of forming life will be able to generate intelligent life. So the person goes, "What? That's going to take forever." Yes, that's because the universe is big for a reason. Most of the planets in the universe are dead with no life. And most of the planets with life do not have intelligent life. So the person, acting like a god in the universe, okay, so time doesn't play an effect here. I mean, it does, but it's not the same for us since we're the creators. So the person rolls the dice 4.7 times 10 to 11 times. And then finally, one of the planets with life generates intelligent life. In other words, during each throw of the 14 dice, during each throw of the 14 dice, um, the that did not end up being all ones. We had a planet with life, but not intelligent life. So the same thing happens with evolution. Most of all the species, the animals in the natural world, went extinct. Most of the planets are just deserts. Most of the stars don't have planets with life. Most of everything is not as special as that minority of things. In other words, the natural world works with the small and the great. Most of the great things are small compared to the size of the universe. Humanity and the human being is the most advanced form of life that we know in the cosmos. And to go from the Big Bang to where we are right now, there were billions and billions of years. until finally the universe was able to roll enough dice, all ones, just giving you an example, allowing the DNA molecule to arrange itself just in the right form, just in the right proportion, the genetic codes leading to us. And the same applies for the future, because this is really the laws of everything. So even if the natural world is blind, with enough rolls of a dice, as an example, with enough time, anything can happen. Thanks for watching.